Keeping your Hauppauge home comfortable throughout the year requires more than just a reliable heating and cooling system. With Long Island's cold winters, humid summers, and windy coastal storms, your doors play a major role in how much energy your home uses every day. If your current entry or patio doors are old, warped, or poorly insulated, they may be letting valuable heat escape in the winter and allowing hot air in during the summer, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime. Upgrading to new, energy-efficient doors is one of the smartest ways to improve home comfort and reduce energy bills. Here's how new doors can dramatically enhance the efficiency of Hauppauge residences. Superior insulation helps stabilize indoor temperatures. Older doors, especially those made of aging wood or hollow core materials, typically lack insulation. Over time, they warp, swell, or shrink from weather exposure, creating gaps that allow drafts. Modern replacement doors are engineered with advanced insulation technologies, including high-density foam cores, multi-layer construction, insulated frames that resist heat transfer, durable materials that maintain their shape. This superior insulation keeps warm air inside during Hauppauge's brisk winters and blocks heat during muggy summer days, helping your home maintain a stable, comfortable temperature. Tighter seals prevent drafts and air leaks. One of the biggest contributors to energy loss is air leaks around outdated doors. Cracked weather stripping, loose hinges, and frames that no longer sit flush can allow outside air to infiltrate your home. New, energy-efficient doors come equipped with enhanced weather stripping, precision-fit frames, compression seals for airtight performance, properly aligned thresholds. These features eliminate drafts and prevent conditioned air from escaping, reducing unnecessary strain on your heating and cooling system. Energy-efficient glass options reduce heat transfer. Many Hauppauge homes have stylish entry doors with decorative glass or patio doors with large glass panels. While beautiful, older glass inserts are often poorly insulated and allow significant heat transfer. Modern replacement doors use high-performance glass designed to boost efficiency, including double or triple pane glass low-E coatings that reflect heat. Argon gas fills between panes. UV blocking technology. These upgrades keep heat out in summer, retain warmth in winter, and reduce fading on indoor furniture caused by UV rays. Reduced HVAC usage saves money year-round. When your doors insulate your home effectively, your heating and cooling system doesn't need to run as frequently. This not only lowers energy consumption but also extends the life of your HVAC equipment. Homeowners typically experience lower monthly energy bills, fewer on-off cycles for their furnace or AC, less wear on expensive HVAC components, improved system performance. Over time, the savings can more than offset the cost of the door upgrade. Moisture resistance protects your home's interior. Hauppauge weather can be unpredictable, especially with coastal storms and high humidity. Poorly sealed or aging doors often allow moisture to seep inside, damaging floors, trim, and insulation. Energy-efficient doors are built with moisture-resistant materials, waterproof seals, rot-proof frames, tight-fitting panels that block water intrusion by preventing moisture damage. These doors help protect your home's structure and maintain the effectiveness of your insulation. Increased comfort in every season. A well-insulated, properly sealed door makes your home feel more comfortable every day. You'll notice fewer cold spots near entryways, less humidity entering the home, more balanced indoor temperatures, a quieter interior thanks to improved sound blocking. These small improvements add up to a more enjoyable living environment for you and your family. Higher home value and long-term savings. Energy efficiency is one of the top features buyers look for in Hauppauge homes. New, efficient doors enhance your home's curb appeal and increase resale value. With their long-lasting durability, reduced maintenance needs, and energy-saving performance, new doors offer benefits that continue for decades. Final thoughts: upgrading to new, energy-efficient doors is a smart investment for Hauppauge homeowners. With improved insulation, tighter seals, advanced glass options, and long-term cost savings, they play a crucial role in keeping your home comfortable and efficient year-round. Whether you're replacing an aging front door or upgrading your patio entrance, the benefits are immediate and long-lasting.